Here I have JAECOO5, and on this example let me explain what is the emergency lane keeping feature and how to enable or disable it on JAECOO cars. So at the very beginning you need to open the settings. You can do this on two ways: by using this car section right here, this settings icon, or by tapping the car at the bottom of the screen. Then on the left side you've got the menu with different tabs. Let's choose here the third tab, which is the driver assistance. Afterwards you need to scroll down, and here you can find the emergency line keeping. So this is an aggressive high priority safety extension of the line assistance system. If the vehicle detects that you are drifting completely off the paved edge of the road, heading into a ditch, or moving directly into oncoming traffic on a signal lane road, EL key will forcefully steer the vehicle back onto the road to prevent a critical accident. So if you would like to enable it, let's just use this switcher. As you can see, if you enable the emergency lane keeping, it will also automatically enable the lane departure prevention. You can also disable this and read the definition from the JAECOO. When the emergency lane keeping system is deactivated, the system cannot automatically correct the cruise if there is a risk of collision with a vehicle in the adjacent lane or an edge of a road. It is recommended to keep it on. Do you really want to deactivate this? So it depends on your preferences. You can tap OK and stop using this emergency line keeping. But I think in most cases it's good to have this enabled, so let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.